Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon or evening depending upon the time and time zone you are watching this video from. I'm Gautam, academic faculty, Department of Data Science, Uncodemy Pro. So in today's video we are going to talk about the operators in Python. We namely basically know there are total of 3 main categories in operators in Python. So Python is one of the finest programming language that we as a data scientist very oftenly use in the domain of data science, data analytics, business intelligence or machine learning. This is the favorite choice. Now speaking of operators, we have 3 main categories. The first ones are arithmetic operators. So what basically arithmetic operators stands for? We have plus, minus, multiplication and divide. Along with these all 4, we have another one, that is modulus. So the fundamental difference between the divide operator and the modulus operator is modulus operators gives us the exact remainder of the dividend. So arithmetic operators could be like, if we will declare 2 variables, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, and then a plus 5, this plus sign between these 2 particular variables is one of the operator. And what kind of operator it is? It is one of the arithmetic operators. So when we'll type a plus b, it will give us 5 plus 10, which is 15. So that's how the arithmetic operators are gonna work. Now speaking of the second type of operators, they are logical operators. In logical operators, we very well know it is comprising of the logic gates. The first logic gate that we have here is AND logic gate. In AND logic gate we have the 2 inputs, and this is the necessity condition, both of the inputs needs to be true. If both of these inputs are true, then only we will receive true in output. Now speaking of the other kind of operator, which is OR logical operator. In OR logical operator, it must satisfy at least one of the condition. So either it could be 1 true and 1 false. Now if we have 1 true in the input, the output is going to be true. So this is about the logical operators. Now speaking of the third kind of operators, which we call relational operators or comparison operators. These are greater than sign, less than sign, is equal to, which again stands for, it will check whether these 2 variables are equal. If this condition gets satisfied, we will receive true in input, otherwise it would be false. And then the fourth kind of relational or comparison operator, as we say it, is not is equal to. So this was a short video on the operators in Python. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you have any doubt, please flood the comment section. We have excellent set of trainers over here. We have excellent set of counselors over here. Stay tuned. Gautam signing off. May God bless you all.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.